friends. I hope that you are all fine and welcome to my YouTube channel Mirza Hertz. Today we are discussing about the web hosting. First of all, what is web hosting and how does it work? How does web hosting work? Web hosting service work by maintaining stable and secure storage spaces, while web hosts provide more than just simple data storage. Its core part of their functionality hosts store data on hardware called web servers, which allows for easy maintenance and access by online users. So, what are the four basic type of web hosting? There are four main types of web hosting: shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicating hosting, and cloud hosting. Now we are discussing about the web hosting. What is meant by web hosting? Hosting is the business of hosting, serving, and maintaining files for one or more websites. More important than the computer space that is provided for websites, files is the fast connection to the internet. What should I know about web hosting? Web hosting tips you should know: the free domain, separated domain and hosting, read that bandwidth and disk space term, unlimited storage cache, research and find out more about them. Buy and save with permission, do your own backup, use a one-time credit card or PayPal. Can I host my own website? Hosting your own website is an experience as entertaining as it is rewarding. Using an old Windows or Linux machine, you can throw a few HTML files into a folder and put them on the internet all by yourself. It is important to know exactly what you are doing when hosting a website. What is the use of cPanel? cPanel is a web hosting control panel software developed by cPanel. It provides a graphic interface, GUI, and automation tool designed to simplify the process of hosting a website to the website owner or the end user. It enables administration through a standard web browser using a three-tier structure. What are the three types of website? Web designing is the three kinds: to be specific, static, dynamic or CMS, and e-commerce. Picking the sort of website design relies upon the kind of business and necessity of the every one of these sites and design and develop on various platforms. What is hosting is best? Which hosting is best? The top 10 best web hosting providers are Hostinger, Bluehost, DreamHost, HostCreator, GreenGeeks, SiteGrounds. What are hosting platform? Hosting platform mean a business or person that provide a mean through which a host may offer a dealing unit or portion through of or home sharing. A hosting platform is usually through not necessarily provided through an internet-based platform. What is web hosting as domain? The main difference between domain and hosting is that domain is the address which allows a visitor to easily find your website online, while hosting is where the website files are stored. In order to have a functioning website, you need both a domain and hosting space. Why website is important? So choosing